Anubhav, your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, it is on 26th, day after tomorrow.
Very good. Best wishes. Please tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anubhav. I belong to Shimla district in Himachal Pradesh. I have done my schooling from JNV Shimla. Thereafter, I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Delhi Technological University in 2018. Currently, I am working as a deputy manager at Samsung Noida. My primary roles include supporting R&D activities of the organization, guiding inventors in coming up with the patentable inventions, and various activities of patent portfolio management as well. So, about my family, my parents are farmers, my wife is homemaker, and I have a daughter of who is currently 9 months old. And about my hobbies, I in my free time I like to watch YouTube videos and watch cricket as well. So, well, that is some brief introduction about me, sir.
Good. What are you doing in Samsung?
Sir, in Samsung, I am supporting research and development activities by assisting inventors in ideation and in problem solving of the ideas of their ideas, and guiding them on the ideal problem statements they should target, and come up with the inventions that also have potential usability in the future to be utilized in the industry. So that is my primary role, sir.
Can you tell us about some of the ideation or other points you said that you have been indulging on or attempting?
Sir, some of these technologies include, for example, artificial intelligence related wearable tech, uh,
Mm,
and generative AI,
mm,
telecommunication.
mm.
So these are some of the examples.
Yeah. How will you define artificial intelligence?
Sir, artificial intelligence is uh, the ability of a computer to analyze complex problems, identify some patterns, and provide some solutions accordingly. So
Oh,
it may have various applications, for example, in identifying various anomalies or various recent applications like
in your company, for which areas you are using AI?
sir, in our company we are using AI in our smartphone technologies, wearable technologies like smartwatch, smart ring, for various things like in smart watch, for example, for sleep tracking, for heart rate monitoring, uh, and in smartphone for like call AI is there, which provides insights on the call summaries
All
that are
these
there.
things, all these instruments are manufactured outside our country, or are they manufactured in our country, assembled in our country?
So software solutions are implemented in our country as well, sir.
No, but um, are Samsung smartphones assembled in India or outside India?
Samsung smartphones, as far as I know, they are assembled in India. Like
Achha.
all the components, they are manufactured in foreign countries, for example, like China, etc. But they are assembled in India.
Which place? Is it in Tamil Nadu or some other place?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about this exactly.
Acha. Um, What are the other things our Samsung is doing in India apart from smartphones? I think they manufacture TV also.
Yes, sir. They manufacture TV, refrigerators,
Mm.
washing machines.
Mhm. Washing machine also.
Yes, sir. They have it.
Oh, oh.
Like I also have purchased one washing machine of Samsung.
So what about air conditioners? No.
Yes, they also have air conditioners, sir.
Oh, I don't know. I have not heard. Excellent. Can you tell
Yes.
me what is core banking solution as used in banking?
Sir, core banking solutions are the finance solutions or the software solutions or hardware solution of a particular bank using which the customer can access bank services without being constrained to a single branch, like they can access it from any branch of that particular bank. And some other examples include
The
like
the the
ATM.
content given by you is right, but the first part of introduction was not correct. Core banking solution is a software that is used to connect the main server of the bank with the other branches, with all the branches of the bank, so that the transactions relating to A branch can be done in B branch also. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah, good. But initial definition was somewhat problematic.
Yes, sir, I
Yeah.
realize it.
Yeah. Can you tell me a role of information technology in banking?
Sir, information technology has a great role to play in banking, ranging from cybersecurity, analytics, and enhancing customer experiences by providing them personalized banking services, and also managing the infrastructure of the bank. For example, the bank's networks, computer networks, and their server system, etc.
Mm. But here, not that what you told was wrong. Possibly you can add some more points also, like automation and operational efficiency in core banking solution. Then in back office automation, like many administrative operational tasks such as processing of loans, then managing deposits, reconciling accounts have been automated and reducing human error. Then online banking and digital transactions, internet banking and mobile banking. Then UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Then digital wallets. The advent of digital wallets like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. Then security and fraud prevention, data encryption, cyber security. Then biometric authentication. Then financial inclusion, digital banking for the unbanked, Aadhaar integration, then customer relationship management and personalization, CRM software, about that you get to know. Then chatbots and artificial intelligence. Then comes digital payment ecosystem, e-commerce integration, QR code payments, data analytics and risk management. Big data. What is big data?
So big data is defined by three V's: volume, variety, and I'm forgetting the other one.
Hmm,
Hmm.
1 minute. Big data. Big data refers to extremely large and complex data sets, often including structured and unstructured information that are too vast and diverse to be managed or analyzed using traditional data processing tools, requiring specialized techniques to extract valuable insights and make the informed business decisions. Essentially, it is a massive amount of data generated from various sources like digital transactions, sensors, and social media that can be analyzed to reveal the patterns and trends. Here, another question: what is meant by big data? Extremely large volume, velocity, and variety. The three V's you said, volume, variety, and velocity also. Anubhav, are you able to understand
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The rate at which it is generated, the velocity also is important.
how big data is used in India? Hello,
Hello, sir.
how big data is used in India?
Sir, big data is used in India in many industries, for example, in banking, other technological organizations like my organization, Samsung itself, and like various AI tools operate on this big data to identify patterns, analyze the trends, and generate useful insights for the businesses and customers.
Hmm. Not that what you told was wrong. फिर भी इसको पढ़ लीजिए. One of the most significant.
Yes, sir.
Please read.
Hmm. One of the most significant ways in which big data is transforming businesses in India is by helping them tap into new markets and understand their customers better. By analyzing customer data, businesses can segment their customer base, identify new areas for growth, and develop personalized marketing strategies.
Correct. What is the future of big data in India? Please read.
According to a report, uh,
No, 1 minute. It is gone inside. Yeah. According to your report,
the expected CAGR growth of the big data market is about 12.7% between 2023 and 2028. The growing rate of the big data market has not only increased opportunities for big data job roles, but has also increased competition.
so ऐसमपि थोड़ा सर्च करके क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आ रहा है थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. गूगल
Yes,
में जाके ऐसा सर्च करके पढ़ लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next go. Let us go to which bank are you having account?
Sir, I have account in ICICI Bank.
Are you using their mobile app or are you using their internet?
Sir, I am using mobile app.
Acha. What are the uses to which mobile app can be put into?
Sir, the mobile app can be put into uses like transactions, carrying out transactions, money transfer, UPI payments, uh, getting loans, and like applying for loans, and then other things like FDs,
Mm,
etc.
it's very good. Can you explain about know your customer?
So, know your customer is a process by which banks verify the data of customers. I'm not
No, no,
sure about the
actually,
exact definition.
know your customer is a process which is mandatory as per RBI instructions. And banks have to take any one of the 6 documents that are prescribed, like passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, PAN card, Mandrega card, then voter ID. and satisfy about the identity of the person, and also get address proof. If Aadhaar is taken, it satisfies for both purposes. This is done in order to ensure the identity of the person and also to ensure address, plus avoid money laundering transactions and benami transactions. Understand?
Yes, sir. So, like the documents that you mentioned, like any one of the identity proof is required, right?
Any one of the six documents like
Yes.
Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, Mandrega card, voter ID, all these will give you both address and identity. But PAN card is taken for income tax purposes and it will not have address. So when you take a PAN card for identity, some other document like driving license, etc., must be taken for address proof,
Address.
you you can take electricity bill in the same name or some lease deed with the landlord or telephone bill. Any one of these things can be taken as a address proof. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Good, excellent. Now, coming to other questions. Did you go through the latter part of the questions I have given you? What is
Yes, sir.
CSMA CDIEE 8023 standard? What is that?
Sir,
CS. Hmm.
CSMA is Career Sense Multiple Access Technology, in which multiple a shared channel is accessed by multiple devices.
Hmm.
So it provides techniques for collision avoidance and collision handling while the data is being transmitted by multiple devices on the shared resource.
Explain about authentication protocols.
So authentication protocols are utilized to verify the credentials of a user. For example, the credentials include username, password, etc.
Why does active FTP not work with network firewalls?
Sorry, sir, I did not get the question.
Why active FTP is not working with network firewalls? What is active FTP?
Sir,
What is
FTP
FTP?
FTP is file transfer protocol, sir.
Hmm. Why it is not working with network firewalls?
Not sure about it, sir. I will have to read.
Hmm. Understanding FTPS and firewall compatibility issues. Just a minute.
Sure, sure, sir.
FTPS and firewalls, especially those performing network address translation, may not always work seamlessly together. While the control connection established on a well known port generally proceeds without complications, the data connection poses challenges for firewalls designed to understand FTP. In a typical FTP session without FTPS, firewalls can inspect the FTP. थोड़ा ये इसको पढ़ लीजिए ना. I can't understand this. I think you can follow it. I will give you. You are member of which group? Bankers group, na? Federal Bank and other group, ना?
Uh,
कुछ ग्रुप में आपको डाला है नहीं डाला है?
no, sir. I'm just in the newspaper group.
आई एम सॉरी. न्यूज़पेपर 2.
Yes, sir, newspaper two. N2 newspaper two.
अच्छा, उसमें डाल देगा.
हाँ, sir.
गुड. Yeah. Next question. Um, what is a? Can you explain OSI layers?
Yes, sir. In OSI model, there are 7 layers. So if we go from bottom to up, so these are like physical layer, data link layer, uh, network layer, transport layer,
Mm,
session layer,
So
presentation layer.
sufficient. Please tell me what are classful and classless IP addresses? Classful and classless IP addresses. You
Sir,
don't know?
I know IP address, but
Why have you not studied all these things? Classful addressing divides IP addresses into fixed assets A, B, C, D, E, each with predefined ranges. In contrast, classless addressing, also known as CIDR, classless interdomain routing offers more flexibility by allowing addresses to be subdivided into smaller blocks called subnets. इसमें बहुत कुछ है आप लोग पढ़ना है
yes, sir.
कि थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए I am giving a link of this in our N2. Okay,
Okay, sir, I will read about it.
थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. Yeah, very good. Next one. Um, what is routing? Routing.
Sir, routing is the process in which a path is identified for the transmission of data on a computer network.
What are the types of routing?
Uh,
I am giving a link in your WhatsApp group. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay.
please go through. You have to read something more on this. Now I am only worried if they ask a question. What are the computer languages?
Sir, I
Computer
know,
language. Hmm.
sir, I know some basics about C and C++.
Acha, can you explain what is C and what is C++?
Sir,
What is C? What is C++? For what purposes are they put into use?
sir, C++ is object-oriented programming language
Hmm.
uh, where C does not use objects for programming. So, but I will have to read more about it.
What is a local block?
Local block. Uh,
So I am giving you a link from indiabits.com. Please use that for knowing more about C, C++.
okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Then do you know something about Java?
No, sir. I don't do not know about
Okay,
Java.
what is spoofing? SPOOFING.
Sir, spoofing is a type of cyber security attack, a cyber attack in which a person tries to like tries to interfere, not interfere, but tries to act as like steals the identity of another and tries to get the unauthorized access into the system.
I
So,
think
for example,
I think you have done it. You have done it. Huh? Spoofing is a fraudulent technique that involves forging the sender's identity to deceive the or harm the recipient. I am giving for this in our WhatsApp group. Now, hello, I think
Yes.
it is sufficient you go through this one website, geeksforgeeks.org.
Okay,
Hello,
sir. I will read this.
fund of information is there. Also that indiabix.com, technical.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On this website itself, I think there are multiple concepts.
Yeah, please go through that. And now, why should I select you? Because there are many people who have done the latest computer programs and all that. And you don't seem to be knowing any of the. Sorry to use these words. I'm only testing your tolerance. Ah, so why
Yes,
should I select you?
sir. It is about my experience and like in my experience of last 6 years, I have honed my skills like research oriented skills and then problem solving skills and analytical skills, which are also very essential while working as an IT officer in a bank. So, and I have also worked on various problems and identified solutions for them. So, similar problem solving approach would be very critical in IT management of a bank. So, that's why I believe my professional experience is very much aligned with the type of role that.
Can you tell me the latest or now widely used computer software languages?
So, there are many languages like some the latest language which is quite mostly used is Python, and then there are other languages like Java, etc.
This alone will not do. Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, Swift, Kotlin, TypeScript, and Julia, with Rust and Go gaining traction for their high performance and memory safety, while Swift and Kotlin are key for mobile app development. And Python. See, now I am giving this run up in the newspaper through.
Okay, okay, sir.
I am giving that latest one what I have come across. There's nothing new. What I did, I just went to Google and searched latest computer software languages. इसके लिए
Yes.
it has given me so many things, and at least the name of these languages and conversant with being what it is used will be helpful. See, because they can ask you. In fact, in some banks, I have conducted recruitment. You must have seen my mock interviews about recruitment of mobile developers. Are you
Yes,
aware
sir.
of that? Yeah. So, like that, also mobile software developers, mobile or internet software developer, I mean, internet banking. So, like that, also they can put questions. So, be prepared for such areas. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, you have done very well, but still now something more may be required. I mean, from my point of view, I am very selfish, or I am very much expecting more from you because you are an experienced person. Okay, that is the
Yes, sir.
reason. Anyhow,
Yes,
I will
sir.
stop recording. We will talk for about 2 3 minutes.